Unit 3. Production. Lesson 3.3. Technology.
Learning objectives. What kind of technology in production can support circularity? The key machinery and tools in the production of the wooden company important for the circularity. Possibilities of using the existing machinery for better circular processes. The new techniques and technology based on the circularity perspective.
Content of the lesson. 1. Technology possibilities for circular production. 2. Machinery and tools. 3. Machinery plan and using the machinery for better circularity. 4. New techniques and new technology.
New technologies. New technologies and the machinery upgrades need to be strong connected, to provide the tools that are able lower the costs, automate tasks, and even create economic value.
New technologies will be what makes the paradigm shift possible.
Just 1/3 of the EU wood usage is recycled into new boards or panels, about 1/3 is burned for energy production and about 1/3 ends up in landfill. Technology can be developed in the way that can be adjusted to achieve the circular economy processes and different usage of the wood or wooden materials.
Technology for circular production. The production process is facing daily with the technology improvements. The production without any CNC machinery is hardly competitive in the wooden sector and to the concurrents and competitors. The investment in prompt technology is necessary and must be oriented to each production type. Production phase, supporting incentives measures aiming at increasing resource efficiency through an increased product lifetime, repairability, recyclability, and efficient use of material. In the wooden sector, the main production technology consists of properly buildings for storage, collecting, cutting of the wood. Production plan with the machinery for woodworking. Production plan with the machinery for woodworking. Recycling and reusing technology for the production. IT and digitalization of the production and production processes.
Machinery and tools. In the wooden production business, there are next main machinery technology, machinery for woodworking, table saw, sanding and brushing machinery, planing machinery, CNCs for milling, drilling, cutting, coating machinery, spraying machinery and tools for applying the coating, finishing with varnish rollers. Machinery for wood waste treatment, for example production of the briquettes from the wooden dust as a heating source. Machinery for material recycling and reusing of wooden materials.
Machinery plan for better circularity. The plan must consist of all the machinery of the wooden production, including the transportation lines, delivery, storage and packaging, and loading locations for each production. The main stages of the production plan are material income, delivery, collecting, sorting of material, storaging, drying, production, machinery plan, packaging and middle storaging, loading of the goods.
New techniques and new technology. The digitalization in the last decade our main challenge to implement it in the wooden production. The digitalization in the last decade our main challenge to implement it in the wooden production. In the bigger production companies, the implementation of the new technology is based more on the strategic level, focusing to decrease costs of energy, time, and material and optimizing the work. The planning of the new systems and connecting them to the production platform are mostly demanding and long processes.
Conclusion. New technologies are necessary to be combined with the machinery so that the processes will be more connected, and the result are in the way of lowering the costs, sawing the time and decrease the production wastage. The computer numerical control machinery and the most of wooden production are big potential and benefit for higher efficiency and better circular processes. Machinery plan and positioning of the technology must be customized to each type of the production and the products that are produced. The digitalization of each process, connecting and combining the machinery and the production ways helps to monitor and optimize the production.